Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we are going to continue the lesson number 1, that is storage and memory devices. First of all, let us learn what is primary memory. It is the main memory of the computer. It is also known as internal memory. Now there are only two types of primary memory. First is RAM and second is ROM. So RAM, it stands for Random Access Memory. It is temporary memory and it stores the input, instructions, and output but loses all the information when the computer is turned off. Now, what does this mean? Let me give an example. Suppose you are working in MS Paint and drawing something, and suddenly your laptop turns off because of low battery, or your PC or computer turns off because of power cut. So you have not saved your drawing. And now, after charging your laptop, you restart your laptop or turn your computer after the power is back, you will find that your drawing is not there. It means your drawing was being saved temporarily in RAM. But as the laptop or PC got turned off, the RAM cleaned all its memory. So, this is what RAM does, it saves your data information temporarily. Now, ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. It is a permanent memory, but the information once saved cannot be changed. It stores the information for the computer to start. For example, uh, can you change the process of shutting down a computer? No. Why? Because these instructions are saved in ROM. All the instructions that are required for booting up the computer, booting up means starting up the computer, are stored in ROM only. Now we will learn about secondary memory. Secondary memory stores information permanently. When you save your data with save option, it gets saved in secondary memory device. So our first device is hard disk drive. In short, we simply call it HDD, right? Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. While working in a program, the CPU uses RAM for processing. When we save the file, it is copied from RAM to the hard disk. So we can also save it on any other secondary device also. Now we have two kinds of hard disks. First is internal hard disk and second is external hard disk, right? Okay. The storage capacity of a hard disk, it can be from 1 TB, that is 1 terabyte, to 16 terabytes. Let us see the first, that is CD. CD, you all must have seen CDs, right? Okay, CD, it is called compact disc, right? The CD, DVD and BD, that is Blu-ray disc, all these are called secondary memory, right? This stores your information, it stores your data. Now we have some minor difference between all these things. First is compact disc. Can store data permanently, right? This DVD, that is digital versatile disc, it also stores data permanently, and Blu-ray disc, it also stores data permanently, right? Okay, all these three, they can be carried easily in your bag, right? Now the main difference between all these three is its storage capacity. See, the storage capacity of compact disc, it is up to 700 MB, that is megabyte. The storage capacity of DVD, that is 4.7 GB, that is gigabyte, to 17 gigabyte. And the storage capacity of Blu-ray disc, right, it is up to 25 gigabytes. Or the double-sided disc storage capacity, it is up to 50 gigabytes. The next secondary memory device we have, that is pen drive. We all have seen pen drive, right? You must be using pen drives also. So what is a pen drive? A pen drive, it is a small portable secondary storage device used to store information permanently. Okay, what do you mean by portable? Portable, that means you can easily carry it from one place to another. It is also called flash drive. Your pen drive, you can call it flash drive also. It is so small that it can be carried in a pocket. And the storage capacity of pen drive is up to 1 TB. Now, nowadays you get it for 2 TBs also. Okay, we have completed our lesson over here. Now, this is the exercise. When you write in your book, right, in your textbook only, you'll write it in your textbook only. Just pause the video and you can complete it over here. Let us see, first of all, let us discuss the fill in the blanks. Data in a computer are stored in form of bits and bytes, right? We have studied this in previous video. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. Secondary memory is called the auxiliary memory. DVD can store 12 times more data than CD. Now next we have is match the following. RAM, it is also called volatile memory. ROM, non-volatile memory. Bits, it stores information as 0 or 1. And byte, 1 byte is 8 bits. Now true or false? The RAM is accessed by the CPU directly. Yes, it is true. Pen drive is an external storage device. True. Secondary memory is faster than the primary memory of a computer. False. Right? Primary memory is faster. Secondary memory is not faster. DVD is an auxiliary memory. True. Why auxiliary memory? Because secondary memory is also called auxiliary memory and DVD is secondary memory. Right? Okay. Now next we have is choose the correct answer. The primary memory of a computer is RAM, ROM or both A and B. The answer will be both A and B because RAM and ROM both are primary memory. 1024 bytes makes 1 terabyte, 1 petabyte or 1 kilobyte. See students, here you need to make some changes. In book it is given 1 megabyte. Cancel the megabyte and write kilobyte instead of that because the right answer will be kilobyte, right? 1 KB. Okay. Third one. Dash are the smallest unit of storage space measurement. The answer will be bits. The smallest unit is bit. Okay, here we complete our first lesson. Complete this exercise in your textbook. Okay. Thank you for watching. Jai Swaminarayan.